First, start by combining all your dry ingredients together. These ingredients need to be sieved and then mixed together to incorporate them. Place your sugar and butter in the mixing bowl and cream them together. You can now use that opportunity to mix the banana together to try and make a puree out of it. What I normally do when I've got very ripe bananas, I place them in the freezer. So I just bring them out, defrost them, and then they mix so easily. And add in your vanilla. Continue to mix your butter and sugar until you get that creamy texture. Once you've got that texture, you start to add in your eggs one at a time. Once all the eggs have been incorporated into the creamy mixture, you start to alternate the banana puree and the flour, adding them a little bit at a time until it's incorporated into the batter. Always start and end up with the dry mixture. Once it's ready, you pour into your cake tin. I tend to use the rectangular tins which I've already lined. I'm using 2 and a bit. I use my spatula to level the top and I bang it on the worktop just to release any trapped air. It's now ready to go into a warm oven at 180 degrees for 45 minutes. After which you bring it out to cool before turning over. You can serve this while it's still warm, or you can leave it to cool. This can be eaten on its own, it can be eaten with custard, it can be eaten with ice cream. And you can see that it's nice, soft and fluffy due to the creaming method. If you've really enjoyed watching this, you can subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.